Hello, in front of me I have Huawei P9 Lite Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number and the IMEI number on this device. First, we need to open the settings, and to do that, let's just swipe left on the home screen and then tap the settings icon right here. Once in settings, let's scroll all the way down and select about phone. And here, when you scroll down, you have IMEI numbers, and the serial number should be under status, so let's tap on it. And as I said, it's right here, serial number. You can also check the IMEI numbers a different way. To do that, let's just open the phone app and dial in the number *#06#, and here you have IMEI numbers listed. And that should be all. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.